Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make a closure wig with sewing machine. So I actually have 4 bundles of 20 inches and a closure, and this is from my hair collection. This is super double drawn, you can see. Can you guys see? So let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you guys my machine, the setting that I have it on right now. So hold on. So the setting that I have my machine, the length is on 3, while my weight is on 5. My needle position is at the middle, while my tension is 7. I use zigzag method. So the first thing we're gonna do right now is to double our weft. Actually, I'm not going to be doubling all the weft. I'm only going to double one because there's not a lot of hair, right? It might be 4 bundle, but because of the type of hair the weft is, we don't have enough weft. It's not a lot of weft. Hope you guys can see. Can you guys see? Hold on. So by the way guys, this video was filmed in September and I haven't had time to upload it, and it was even before I started uploading on YouTube that I filmed this down. Like, I just wanted to have enough content before coming on YouTube, right? So I'm not gonna speed up this process so you guys can say that in real life you don't have to work fast. Like, if you have been watching speed up video and you think, oh, you have to go really fast, no, that's not how it works, sis. So you go gradually, and yes, that's it. And from my intro you guys will know that, oh, it's probably when she just started. Yes, I haven't even started uploading on YouTube when I filmed this. So that's why I want to share with you guys. I'm still going to speed it up, but not now. I just want you guys to see how things are done in real life. So you're going to grab your first track, which is here, following the guideline. You place your closure right here. Did I say closure? Never mind, guys. You place your track. If you're new to sewing, don't sew down your closure yet, please. Do not sew down your closure yet, because that's gonna be difficult for you to sew. All right, put it down. So you see, sewing is like it's like driving. I heard that from America too. So you always want to follow it. So when you get here, you cut. Do not stretch. No, you don't want to stretch. Like, no, just place your closure and just, you know, do not stretch. No, never. Never, ever, ever try to do that. No, just let it flow. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. So guys, I'm just going to speed up the rest of this video, and it's just me repeating what I've been doing. Just keep it in mind that you're not going to stretch your cap. Yes guys, and you don't have to walk really fast. If you're a beginner, just go gradually, okay? And everything is smooth. And if you want an in-depth video on how to take your client's measurements, how to measure your own head, how to transfer it to your canvas head, I do have a video on that. Please check it out on my channel. I'm going to leave the link down below, so guys, make sure you check that out. And if you want to get slayed by me, don't forget to head over to my website. It's www.madamtiticollection.com. And if you also want some good quality nice hair as well, please go over to my website, okay? So guys, if you're a beginner, I would advise you not to sew down your lace closure first, because this can be so difficult if you're a beginner. Like when I just started constructing a wig on a sewing machine, I couldn't try this. Like I will first of all sew down my track, then take the wig back to mannequin head to sew my closure. But now I'm a professional in my mind. Anyway, so now I'm a professional. Yes, I am a professional now. So yes, I can do this. And sometimes I don't do it either. That's the truth. So this side is actually very important. Make sure you don't stretch your cap. Like if you stretch your cap, it's gonna be bonky. It's gonna be bulky and lumpy. So, and you don't want that, okay? Yes. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any suggestion of any was I gonna say movie? Yeah, it's a movie. Okay guys, thank you. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you.